In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create lead forms in Monday.com. To get started, log into your Monday.com account. Before we build anything, it helps to understand what a lead form actually does. A lead form is a simple way to collect information from potential customers, such as their contact details and company website, and send that information directly into your Monday.com board. This makes lead capture more organized and helps your team respond faster. Once you're inside Monday.com, open the Sales Pipeline board for this example. This is the board where all new leads will be stored after someone submits the form. Choosing the right board is important because it determines where your lead data will live and how your team will track it. Next, click the plus icon to add a new view or feature to the board, and then select Form. Monday.com will create a form connected to that board, which means every submission can automatically become a new item. After that, click Edit Form and rename it so the form has a clear, useful title. You'll notice that the form already includes some default fields. Review those, then make sure you add the essential fields needed to capture lead information completely. Now click the plus icon inside the form builder to add a field. Search for and add the email field. This field is useful because it gives you a direct way to follow up with the lead and keeps contact information structured properly. Then click Add to Form to place that field into the form layout. Repeat the same process for the phone field. This is helpful if your sales team prefers calling leads or wants another way to make contact. Then add a website field by choosing the link field. The link field is perfect for collecting a company or personal website, landing page, or online profile. Once selected, click Add to Form, and then rename the link field to Website so it's clear to the person filling out the form. When your fields are in place, click Preview. This lets you see the form exactly as a lead would see it, which is a great way to catch missing labels or confusing wording before sharing it. In the preview, click into the highlighted field area and test the experience, then click Submit to confirm the form works as expected. Finally, click Share Form. From here, you can copy the public link, embed the form on your website, share it by email, post it on social media, or even add it to your email signature. Each option gives you a different way to collect leads depending on where your audience is most active. That's how you create lead forms in Monday.com. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more.